Hey everybody, how's it going? So today we're going to do a quick tool haul. I picked up some stuff from Home Depot, got a Ryobi item, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. What is up everybody? Hope everybody is having an awesome day. So before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, and smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Alright, so this is the other set of items from the previous haul. And I went to several different Home Depots in the same day, and I'm doing them in the order that I purchased them at, because each one is a different receipt. But so like I stated, like, comment, and subscribe. So we're gonna get into this. I did pick up a couple different items. This is the item that I actually I was at a Home Depot, my nearest Home Depot, or not the nearest, but the one I go to all the time. And while I was there, I called 20 plus stores. All the stores, that the app said that each one of those stores had between 3 and 12 or 15 of these guys. Every single one of those stores that I called said they didn't have any. Which is why I say don't ever trust apps when it comes to inventory, from Home Depot, Lowe's, anybody. Walmart is probably the worst. But this is the 45 watt hybrid soldering station. The last store that I called, which was Tatum and Bell, that store is well over 148 something miles from me, maybe 145, but between 140 and 150 miles one way for me. And it just happened that I was a little closer to that store. I was about 30 miles closer because I was already in the Queen Creek area. That store was this store that I got this at is in Scottsdale, the other side of Phoenix, which is on the cusp of Phoenix and Scottsdale, the Tatum and Bell Road store. And I called. Guy was amazing. He was awesome. What's the item number? I told him I was in another store. I have the item number and everything. He asked me for it. He went and looked. He said that we have one. I asked him if the box is damaged or if it's in decent condition, and he says, oh, my mistake, we have two. This is the one that he took up to the counter, which has actually no damage other than this little bitty corner, which is nice. And there's a little bit of like denting on the back of the box, but I'm not worried about that. It was actually a lot nicer than the other box, and so I asked him if he can hold it for me. My name's Antonio. I got to drive like 100 miles to get there, and he's like, yeah, no big deal. I told him my name's Antonio, and then I grabbed it at the customer service, said, hey, I have more shopping to do, can I walk around with it? And the lady handed it to me. I'm not sure what the yellow sticker is, but there. But she handed it to me. I walked around, and then the guy's like, Antonio, because they actually put my name on some tape and put it on the top, and he's like, is that you? And I turned around, and he's like, and I said, yeah. And he's like, oh, I'm the one that talked to you on the phone. And I went to go shake his hand, and it was a really good experience, because most people don't shake hands properly anymore. And he grabbed my hand, nice firm grip, squeezed and shook, which shows respect. If somebody shakes your hand and they shake it in a very weak fashion, that's very disrespectful. Just if nobody knows that, you always want to grab their hand, squeeze, and shake. It's respectful. But it was a good experience, even though it was a long drive. I had fun. So this is the 45 watt hybrid soldering station, temperature controlled dial, onboard tip and sponge storage, over 4 hours of runtime. This is your choice of power, battery or electric. You can plug this into the wall. Should have the same style wand or soldering wand is this guy right here, which is the one that doesn't have the temp control adjustment. Should be the same as this guy. The item number in US is 1003-185-115. Part number is Paul 3100. It is the Ryobi 18V 1 Plus system. Information on the back. Let's try to get this sticker off. I just peeled this is actually a two-part sticker. There's a clear section, and then there's the section that has this information on it. This is the item number, so if you guys are in a store and you're looking up in the rafters, if you look at the barcode on the shelf, the barcode should show this number right here, and then you just look up. 115 is the item number. So if you look at the barcode, you look at this number right here on the barcode, should be on top of the barcode. So it should be like up here on the barcode on the shelf, and then you could just look up in the rafters and match this number. That's what that's for. So Home Depot does make it pretty convenient when you're looking for something. And I didn't take the clear sticker off, so the clear sticker is still there, but just need to see what it says on the back. We'll do an unboxing on this in a separate video. So this says on the back, temperature control allows you to set and maintain desired temperature. Hybrid technology provides unlimited runtime. Up to 900 Fahrenheit. Iron holder for a safe and convenient storage. LED indicator lets you know when the tip is hot. Onboard tip and sponge storage. Grounding loop. Feature for use with ESD safe mat for small electronics work, which I got this mainly to use it for electronics work. 18 volt, 45 watt, 900 Fahrenheit, 2.5 pounds. I'm assuming that, yeah, it's net weight. So I'm assuming that is just bare tool, no battery. Includes 45 watt hybrid soldering station, fine point tip, chisel tip, solder, coil, tip cleaning sponge, and operator's manual. So that's that right there. And this guy right here, we will open in this video real quick. This is the Brenzomatic detail torch for hobby and household use. It does have a cordless soldering iron attachment for it, which is why I picked it up. A lot of people buy these same style torches. You can get them from a couple other places. Snap-on sells a torch just like this guy right here. So does a couple other companies. Oh, I don't remember which one it's called. I have the portable torch kit from Power Probe. Power Probe makes one like this as well. So this one, it's got some staples in it. Just gonna pop the staples, and this has got those little pop clamshell style clamshells. Just pop it open. It's out of the package. So this has an adjustment screw where you can get the butane out a little quicker. Continuous hold button, so if you push it and light it. It's got a safety. Pull this little lever down. Doesn't feel like that there is any butane in it. Let me grab some butane. This is just raw unsolved butane. Put a little bit in it. That holds the button down. Let's see, flathead screwdriver. Adjust it a little bit. Doesn't want to light. Might not be enough butane, I don't know. There it goes. Alright. Let me push this button to hold it down. You can change it from a flame to a torch. That's what that feature on the top is. If you hold this feature forward, it's a flame. Back, it's a torch. To push the button back in, it will unclick the continuous. And that's on high. So you have to turn this back to lower it. There you go. So it lowers the flame. Spraying out. There you go. So it's a nice little unit. If you put this guy on here by unthreading this little screw and nut, like so. Now folds into there, and it becomes a little soldering iron. Do it like that. So now this is attached, and when I slide this down, it now becomes a soldering iron. It's a nice little unit. 26 bucks wasn't really bad at all. It's actually pretty cheap for one of these guys. Definitely got hot real quick. Didn't have it on very long. Just undo this thread real quick. Pop it off. So it's a nice unit, nice stand. I do like that you can pull this forward and turn it into a regular flame. Say you want to light a cigar or something. You don't want to use the torch side. Or you need, you slide it forward because you don't want to torch the heat shrink. You can slide it forward so it's a regular flame and just run the regular flame over the heat shrink. That's another option. It's nice that it comes with a soldering tip or a soldering head. Nice little unit. Not bad on the price either. I don't use butane items very often, so butane lasts me a while. Unless I'm doing a lot of wiring. But, you know, that's all I got for you guys today. We will definitely unbox this in its own video, where we're going to do specs, information, weights, measurements, and all that good stuff. Appreciate you guys hanging out with me today. If you guys are looking for this style torch, this Brenzomatic that I picked up, It is ST2200. I got it in the same section as the soldering iron stuff because it does have a solder tip. It's very, very nice built tip. It does not look like you can change this tip out though. So it looks like it's one solid tip, but that's not a big deal. I do appreciate you guys hanging out with me today. Please like, comment, subscribe. Smoosh the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. Appreciate you guys stopping by. I want to say thank you to all the subscribers, non-subscribers, people that like, dislike, people that use the affiliate links, people that watch the ads every once in a while on the channel. You guys are the reason that the channel is monetized, and I want to say thank you for that. We're going to be doing lots and lots of content coming up, lots of head-to-heads coming up. Going to get 2 Sheepmaster jaw horses for my personal use as well as the channel. We're going to use it on the channel. We're going to strap some wood to it, start picking up wood with the money from the channel, and start doing, you know, head-to-heads with hole saws, recips, impact drivers, impact wrenches, drill drivers, hammer drills, you name it. From DeWalt, all voltages from DeWalt, all voltages from Milwaukee, all voltages from Metabo HPT Hitachi Power Tools, all voltages from Metabo Power Tools. We got core, 18 volt core for Bosch. We got Ryobi 18 volt. Might be actually picking up some items for my wife in the 40 volt line, so that look forward to the 40 volt line coming to the channel, as well as all voltages from Makita, from 7.2 to 9, 12 volt, 18 volt, 36 volt X2, as well as the 40 volt and 80 volt that just came out for Makita will be coming to the channel. Black & Decker, we got corded Black & Decker, got a bunch of corded tools, Makita, Bosch, Black & Decker, Stanley, Porter Cable, DeWalt, Skill, in corded. Got a bunch of Earthquake XT for cordless for both 12 volt, 20 volt. Got lots and lots of tools. Maybe Ego in the future. Might be picking up Rigid in the future, who knows. Any of those things catch your guys' interest, please smash the bell notification icon. I hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day. You guys take care, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!